don't forget like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna kind of talk about the Tesla stock. So let's get right. So Tesla hit all-time high, basically all-time high, almost like $500, 488, and ever since, if you see right, like from the run up from the president Trump, kind of went up all the way. Then after that, it kind of started getting bad news, people abandoning because of too much Elon Musk involvement, and you saw that. And if you look at here, we hit almost bottom at 210 to 211, right? And seems like this is what like Tesla found the bottoms. And if you see that, it kind of went up down, kind of it's consolidating. It's found I think like this is 200 to 215 area. That's a very strong base, and it found the support like right where it was before the elections. And ever since, if you see that within the last 3-4 session, it just bumped from almost like 220 to almost 282 right now. Yesterday it was a massive day, 11% up, and today in pre-market it's up almost like $5, 1.8%, right? So we'll look into the chart, right? So one thing is, if it holds this 280 levels, I can see it's going to 300. So short terms, it looks bullish. If it doesn't hold, I think we will go revisit the 250 area. So look out this one. So also this is a if you look at this downtrend, it kind of like broke the downtrend right around here, 257s, right? Like this immediate downtrend, pretty steep, but it kind of broke. So right now we are right at resistance, so resistance and support. So let's see if it holds. If it holds 280 levels, I think we are going for the 300. So that's there. So let's look at like a couple hourly chart, right? So if you look at like maybe an hour chart, we'll get a lot of recent movement, right? So where we are, right? Yep, right here you can see that we kind of bounce back, kind of revisit, then we are in this region. So if we hold this 280 levels, I think the next will be 300. So that's very key level. So we can even go like maybe, I don't know, 15 minutes or something and see if we find any other levels. But yeah, from few days, yeah, we can see that. So again, pretty much there's not much down, but if we hold this level, I think if we hold this 280, I think we do have some resistance around 84, 85, then 90. Kind of which makes sense, right? 85, 90 kind of round number. So I think if it's a strong day, can be a good call options, right? So if we hold these labels, we are looking at 300. So yeah, overall, if you look at SPY and others, we kind of sold out, kind of they're bouncing back, but I'm still not sure whether we will just do pull all. So I'm in cash in a lot of my positions, but if you look at SPY and QQQ, for example, if you look at the SPY, we had a massive like 613 to massive down almost 550. We found right around the trend line, and we kind of ripping higher in the last few sessions. So let's see how that holds. But so far it's looking good. We haven't still like, I think it's looking at this is 150. So I think we kind of right around like 200 moving average, right? So let me see if I get 200 days, right? So 200 days. So if you get 200 days, yep, is that the 200 days? I think this is setting, yeah, this is 200. I don't know, red, I don't want to do red, but maybe a yellow. Okay, this is 200. So we crossed 200 day, right? So 200, 571. So we went below down. So but seems like we are kind of coming up, and we are right around 200. So if we hold this, I think we can rip higher, but if we do not hold, then probably more pain a lot of times. So right around actually in resistance level. So let's see, if it drips higher, then we will probably go up, but if not, there's probably more downside. Most of the equities I have MSTR, and pretty much that's what I'm doing mostly, other than cash and crypto. But I do have some MSTR positions. This thing is going up and down, and you can see that it's at 335. Yesterday massive, like 10% gain, really massive. But let's see how it works today. uh, and yeah, if you have any question or comment, let me know. But that's about. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.